Hello children, as we have already discussed about this chapter 7 packing, the few highlights previously. Now let's begin with more highlights. George and Harris do the rest of the packing. As children, we have discussed earlier that the narrator was started the packing and it was just ridiculous because he had already forgot two things put inside the bag. Now let's begin with the new it. George and Harris do the rest of the packing. George asked the narrator whether he had packed the soap or not. The narrator got extremely angry hearing this as he had already opened and packed the bag a few times. So George and Harris took the task of completing the rest of the packing. Because in this point you need to understand narrator was already fed up of putting the things again and again. So both the friends has taken a charge to put other things which has been left. I hope you understood. In the second highlight, situation becomes worse. George and Harris, who were the friends children of the narrator, commit a lot of mistakes while packing because they were not perfectionists. They broke cups, put things behind them and couldn't find them when they needed them. Packed heavy things on top of light things and stepped on things. I hope you understood it. It is the particular highlight which was with full of humors and the mistakes. In the next highlight, Montmorency joins the packing. Who was Montmorency children? Montmorency was a dog, the pet dog of a narrator who was very near to them. Montmorency came and sat down on things. Can you imagine children? When he sat down on the things will become worst. Put his leg into the jam and scattered the teaspoons. He went into the hamper and attacked 3 lemons thinking them to be rats. This is a major humorous thing in the story children which you need to always keep in your mind. Again I am repeating. Montmorency thought that those 3 lemons were like rats and he was shooed away by Harris when he thought so. I hope you understood this highlight also. In the last highlight children, end of packing, the conclusion of the story. Finally, the packing ended late in the night at 12:50 am. Keep in your mind the timing of the packing ended. Again I am repeating 12:50 am. The 3 friends were very tired. Of course they were tired after having so much haphazard in the packing and decided to sleep. Before sleeping they had an argument about when to wake up in the morning. Now children, some more important things which you need to understood. These are the words meaning of the chapter which is typical and you need to keep in your mind. The first is description, means detailed account. You can note down also in the notebook. Again I am repeating, description means detailed account. Second is intended. Intended means thought, thinking. Next is slaving. Slaving means working like a slave. Slave means like servant. Superintend means supervise, to be in the charge of something. Next is strapped. Strapped means tied with straps. Next is perspiration, means sweat. And the last is rummage. The meaning of rummage is search unsystematically through something. I hope you understood well the chapter. Till then, thank you.